Okay, hello everybody. I hope you have a nice day. So today I make this project. This is an script, the Basketball Training Roulette, that randomly select drills to help players improve their game. Um, this this project was inspired by Kobe Bryant's work ethics. This tool ensures not two works out are the same, keep training competitive and challenging. So let's start. The first step is import the libraries, the random and time and typing. Random because select the exercise. Randomly select exercise, the time because the track session duration. The typing imports code read output with type hints. The second step was create a class. This class is the core of the program, a structure for clear organization and scalability. Um, for example, this is exercise, the category, shooting condition and the difficulty levels, exercise history tracking, using sample exercise lists, and session time tracking. This is, for example, the shooting, the conditional, the fundamental. Because you need to improve with the basic to to advance the more the level or level up the difficulty. Okay, exercise. The exercise is an structured dictionary of drills by category, shooting, condition, and fundamental. The session history is a track completed exercise, and the session start time is a record when the session begins. Um, I create game methods. This game methods, for example, is a start session because you need to you need in you need initialize a new training session, and they get a random exercise because it's with an optional filter. For example, I need to practice more shooting or more conditional, so I need a difficult, medium, hard, or easy. I don't know. So this is, for example, the the function the function. Um, what else? Okay, the optional category can difficulty was a filter, and the output is a random select exercise or message if not match. Okay, with the display categories is show a board exercise category. For example, the categories the shooting, the conditional are not. Okay. The next was add the custom exercise is allow user to add their own exercise are known, for example, shoot, shoot or dribbling, with for 7-10 minutes are known. It is because the users add their own drills to the system. Um, The show history is display all exercise complete in the categorization, and the end session is conclude the training session with the duration and summaries complete drills. And finally, I create the loop or the main program loop. This menu uh, uh, is an interface with option to get a random drill, filter by category, difficult, and a custom drill, view history, and the session. Finally, is the execution, is the program start when execute. So give me a second. Here. Okay, get a random exercise. Okay, 10 3 points for each corner. It's hard. Okay, give me another please. 15 free throws. Okay, throws is nice, but I need to in the fundamentals. I don't know, a heart. Okay, 10 pro 10 10 3 points for each corner. Okay, I need to view the session history. Okay, is to session the 3 points. Okay, okay, conditional and easy. Okay, in this case, for example, is 10 minutes of dribbling drills. It's a good exercise, I think so. Finally, custom. Okay, I prefer, I don't know, this defense without partner. These fundamentals because the defense is is very essential for basketball. I think maybe it's medium. Oh God, I forget put the time, but it's okay. Okay, give me the last exercise. 5 full core sprints. It it is a good exercise. Really a good exercise. For example, in my case, I like full core because normally I play was a pivot. Uh, I need I need a lot a lot how to say that. Sorry, I forgot the word. I need a lot resilience to play basketball because it's a good game. It's a good sport. I like it. So it is all. Finally, the quotes today. It's something that Kobe Bryant said. It was it. It is a competition, and my mission is to destroy you. Kobe Bryant. Remember, Kobe Bryant every day or every training, he give the one hun- one 10% in all games, and this in that mentality is very incredible because is that we need the developers or the people need it because we need improve every day. No stay down or let down the person, the people, because it is a good practice or is a good mentality to train a future. Okay, thank you so much and see you the next time. So I hope this project was a good job. Um, yeah.